Good morning, Snoopy. You're looking extra cool today. Oh, it's the mailman. Look out, Joe Cool. Wow, you really are cool, Joe Cool. I thought that was going to hit you. What do you have there? It's an invitation to Linus's birthday party. You love parties. Wait a second. This isn't just any party. It's a costume party. Doesn't that sound exciting? What costume are you going to wear? A baseball player? What a great idea! This costume really knocks it out of the park, eh? Oh, come on, Snoopy. Wow, I really struck out with that joke. Yar! 'Tis the world-famous Black Beagle, the pirate, avast, matey. Actually, Snoopy, maybe Black Beagle isn't the best costume. Do you remember what happened last time? No, Black Beagle. Those are presents, not buried treasure. It's okay. We'll find another great costume instead. It's Secret Agent Snoopy! Shh! Sorry. It's Secret Agent Snoopy. It looks like he's undercover. I'm not sure. I do like Secret Agent Snoopy, but I'm not sure Linus will enjoy you sneaking around his birthday party. Any other ideas? Was that a bird? Or a plane? No, it's the Masked Marvel. What a great idea, Snoopy. You're going to have so much fun at the party. Whoa, you're going to be late for Linus's party, Masked Marvel. You better get going. Have a marvellous time, Masked Marvel. It's the bottom of the ninth. Snoopy's up to bat. He needs a home run here to win the game. Can he do it? He lines up. Eye on the ball. The pitcher throws. He swings. Holy cow! This looks like it could be a home run for Snoopy. Oh. Oh no, Snoopy. That was your only ball. We'll have to get it down. Ugh, that rotten, no-good hunk of wood. It's no use, Snoopy. We'll have to think of something else. Of course! You can fly up there and get it down. That's amazing! Although, Snoopy, do you think maybe a rocket is too powerful? Oh dear. The Masked Marvel! Surely he can save the day. Come on, Snoopy, you can do it. Oh no, Snoopy, it's the Red Baron. Snoopy, look out! Curse you, Red Baron. I'm sorry, Snoopy. You tried your best. Snoopy, look, the ball. You must have knocked it out of the tree. You did it! Here he comes, the world-famous baseball player. It truly is an honour to see him play. Once again, if Snoopy can score a homer here, the game is over. It could be. It might be. It is! A home run! He's done it! Snoopy has won the World Series. He truly is the greatest player to ever grace the field. Oh. Hello, Snoopy? Snoopy? Hello? Snoopy? Where are you? Oh, there you are. I've been looking all over for you. Hello? Can you hear me, Snoopy? What is that noise? Shh! What? Oh, you're writing a story. I'm sorry for disturbing you. What's wrong? Is your story not doing well? Oh, I see. You've got writer's block. That can be very tricky. Not to worry though. I'm sure we can figure it out together. So, what kind of story would you like to write? What kind of story is this? Oh, is this a mystery story? What a great idea! So what mystery are we going to solve? Oh no! Linus's security blanket has gone missing! We have to find it. Let's look for clues, Secret Agent Snoopy. I can't see any clues, Secret Agent Snoopy. Can you? Did you see that? Or that? Oh well, I guess I must have imagined. We need to get after that blanket quickly. But how do we catch it? That's a good try, Snoopy. But not even a basketball player can jump high enough to catch it. Any other ideas? Wow, it's the flying ace! Just in time. Can you help us catch Linus's blanket? It's been blown into the sky. Great! Ready, set, go, I guess. Wait for me! Oh no, it's gone too high. We can't fly up there. How are we going to get it back now, Snoopy? Don't you think this might be a little, extreme, Snoopy? We can just replace the blanket. Or not. Blast off! Snoopy, is everything okay? Oh no! Snoopy, use your parachute! What do you mean you don't have a parachute? What do you have? For you. That was a close one, Masked Marvel. Are you okay? Now we just need to find Linus's blanket. Oh, well, I guess the day is saved. You should get that over to Linus as soon as you can, Masked Marvel. Up, up and away! Wow, that was a great story, Snoopy. I can't wait to read it again. What do you mean you didn't write it down? Don't worry. I guess this means we can write another story. Now, what should it be about? Army hearties, wife it isn't Black Beagle, world famous scourge of the 7 seas. How's life on the open water, Snoopy? What is it, Captain? What do you spy? An island? Land ho, me lads, full speed ahead. We're here now, Captain. What are your orders? I guess we have to go in there? Good plan, Snoopy. It's much less scary now we can see through the dark. Just a little further now, right, Snoopy? This must be it. X marks the spot. Well, Snoopy, what have we found? Snoopy? Oh no, Snoopy, where's the treasure? You're right, we need to investigate. Secret Agent Snoopy is on the case. What have you found, Snoopy? A clue? Footprints! Those must belong to our culprit. Quickly, Snoopy, let's follow them. They might still be close by. Joe Cool! Snoopy, look, it's the treasure. But why did Joe Cool steal your ice cream? A Snoopy ice cream party! Hooray!